removing a processor and heatsink. Remove the node from the chassis. Remove the top cover. For the 2 processor configuration, remove the 1U standard heatsink that is installed in the front of the node, or the 1U performance heatsink that is installed in the rear of the node. Fully unfasten the Torx T30 nuts on the PHM in the removal sequence shown on the heatsink label. Push the anti-tilt wire bales inward. Carefully lift the PHM from the processor socket. If necessary, unfasten the 2 screws that secure the support bracket. Hold the support bracket and remove it from the system board.
To separate the processor from the carrier and heatsink, lift the handle to release the processor from the carrier. Hold the processor by its edges and then lift the processor away from the heatsink and carrier. Release the retaining clips from the heatsink and then lift the carrier from the heatsink.